guys, and welcome sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng triple chocolate chips cookies. And here are the following ingredients. Kakailanganin natin ng spatula, cookie scooper or ice cream scooper, tray lined with parchment paper. Magpe-preheat na rin tayo ng oven sa 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Ang ating first step dito sa isang malaking bowl, isi-sift natin yung 2.5 cups ng all-purpose flour. Dudurugin lang natin yung lumps. I-add ko na rin yung 3/4 cups ng cocoa powder at isisif ulitin natin ito. Yung mga buo-buo, durugin natin. I-add ko na rin yung 1 teaspoon ng baking soda, half a teaspoon ng salt. And hahaluin natin to. After nating mahalo, we will set this aside. Ta-transfer natin itong softened butter. Kung wala kayong stand mixer, pwede namang gumamit ng hand mixer. I-add na rin natin yung 2/3 cups ng brown sugar. Sama na rin natin yung 2/3 cup ng granulated sugar. And then using a paddle attachment, i-cream natin ito. Pagka ganitong well-creamed na, pwede na natin i-add yung 2 large eggs. At 2 teaspoon ng vanilla. Then continue lang natin ng pag-mix for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, papalitan natin ng attachment. Tanggalin natin tong paddle attachment. Scrape lang natin ng spatula yung mga dumikit na sugar. And then scrape din natin yung bowl. Then, i-add na natin itong ating dry ingredients. Then, papalitan ko ng attachment. Lalagyan ko ng hook attachment or yung dough attachment. At continue natin ang pagmimix on a medium speed. Then, pwede na rin natin ilagay itong 150 grams ng dark chocolates. At itong 150 grams ng white chocolate chips. Continue lang natin ang pagmimix hanggang maging well blended ang ating cookie dough. Then scrape lang natin yung mga dumikit sa gilid, pati na rin dun sa ilalim. Pag medyo dry yung inyong dough, pwede kayong mag-add ng 1 tablespoon ng milk. Nag-continue pa natin ang pag-mix for 1 more minute. Yan, our cookie dough is ready. Pwede na natin itong i-switch off. Tanggalin na natin yung attachment at i-scrape uli natin yung cookie dough. Ito na yung na-prepare natin tray. Meron akong dalawang scoop, merong malaki at maliit. Gagamitin ko muna itong malaking scoop. Scoop natin dito sa ating tray. Make sure na merong spaces in between. About 2 inches ang Nakagawa ako ng 22 pieces ng malalaki at 9 pieces ng small. Ayan, gumawa muna ako ng 9 pieces. Kuha lang tayo ng tinidor at i-press down natin para mag-flatten ng konti. And then this one is ready for baking. Ibe-bake natin to for 15 minutes kung gusto nyo ng medyo chewy. Kung gusto nyo naman ng crunchy, mga 18 to 20 minutes. Ito naman yung tray ng smaller size. Ibe-bake natin to for 12 minutes. After 15 minutes of baking, ready na yung ating cookies. Kailangan pagka pre-nest down nyo, nag-i-spring back na. This one is ready. Transfer lang natin to sa cooling rack. There you have it, our triple chocolate chips cookies, best served with a glass of milk. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button para lagi kayong updated tuwing mag-upload ako. Ako po si Aling Oday. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.